Definition of logarithm. Logarithm is denoted as log of x to base v. For example, logarithm of 125 to base 5.
The equation of logarithm means the solution to logarithm of x to base b is y. For example, 3 is the solution of 125 to base 5. The common logarithm is the logarithms to base 10, which is always denoted by log. Take note that the logarithm to any base of a negative number does not exist or is undefined, therefore the base must always a positive number. Rules of logarithm. The rule of logarithms involving basic operations such as product, quotient, power and root. Hence, the rule of logarithms are product rule, quotient rule, power and root rule, logarithm of 1, and logarithm of the base. The logarithm product rule is defined as the logarithm of the multiplication m and n is equal to the sum of logarithm of m and logarithm of n. Example: log of 2xy is equals log of 2 plus log of x plus log of y. Logarithm quotient rule is defined as the logarithm of the division of m and n is equal to the difference of logarithm of m and logarithm of n. Example: log of 3 over x is equals log of 3 minus log of x. The logarithm of m raised to the power of n is equal to n times the logarithm of m. Example: a log of x square is equals 2 times log of x. b log of 1 over x to the power of 5 is equals log of x to the power of negative 5 is equals negative 5 times log of x. And c log of cube roots of m is equals log of m power of 1/3 is equals 1 over 3 times log of m. The logarithm of 1 is 0. The logarithm of b to the base b is 1. Let's look at some examples. Example 1. Express the following logarithm as a single logarithm using rules of logarithms. First, rewrite log of 6 minus log of 2 minus log of 3 as log of 6 minus, in bracket log of 2 plus log of 3. Then, by applying quotient rule and product rule, we get logarithm of 6 over 2 times 3. After simplified, the answer is 0.
Example 2. Express the following logarithm as a single logarithm using rules of logarithms. Log of 2x plus 1 plus half times log of 9x minus 2 is equals log of 2x plus 1 plus log of square roots of 9x minus log of 10 squares, by applying power rule and logarithm of the base such that 2 times log of 10 equals log of 10 squares. Then, after simplified and we used product rule and quotient rule, we get log of 3 times square roots of x times 2x plus 1, over 100.
Example 3. Find the value of x if log of x is equals 4. Solve for the right-hand side first. From the rule of logarithm of the base, log of 10 is equals 1. So we get 4 times log of 10. Next, use logarithm power rule, so 4 times log of 10 is equals log of 10 to the power of 4. Comparing both sides of equation, we therefore have x is equals 10 power of 4, so x is equals 10,000.
Example 4. Solve for x for the logarithmic equation. Log of 20 minus log of x times x plus 1 plus log of x squares minus 1 equals 1. By using rules of log, we get log of 20 times x squares minus 1 over x times x plus 1 equals to log of 10. Then, factorize x squares minus 1 equals x plus 1 times x minus 1, and simplify the expression before we comparing both sides of the equation. Next, expand 20 times x minus 1, and multiply both sides with x. So we get 20x minus 20 equals 10x, and finally solve the equation. Therefore x is equals 2.
Example 5. Find the value of x for the exponential equation. 15 equals 3 times 2 exponent to x. First, divide both sides with 3, so the equation will be 5 equals 2 exponent to x. Since the bases are different, we cannot use any rules of exponent to solve this equation, therefore we take log both sides of the equation. Then, apply power rule and solve for x. So x is equals 1.161.